In this demo, I will show how the new feature purchase trade agreements for planning optimization can help planners to optimize their purchase based on either lead time or the price. First of all, notice that it's enabled here with feature management inside of supply chain management. For the purpose of this demo, I've created a new product, outdoor headset, that we will be using. Let's first turn to the trade agreement that I have created for this product here. So you can see I have a number of trade agreement lines here. The first two are for Acme office supplies, where the first one is for the quantity 0 to 100. Here this can be delivered for a price of $120 with a lead time of just 1 day. If we need more than 100, then we can get it cheaper, but it also takes 2 days. Then we have another vendor here who can deliver anything above 50 in quantity for a lower price of $80 US. Now that takes 4 days with that agreement. And then we have the last vendor down here. We have an agreement starting on July 1st, also from quantity 50 with a lower price of $75 US. And that takes 5 days, but it's also the best price we have. So with that, let's take a look at what the net requirement will look like, the result. So I have set up for this product that I have a minimum of 30 on warehouse 11 that triggers a planned purchase order. This planned purchase order is replenished by vendor 1001 because right now I'm optimizing based on the price. And this is the only vendor that can deliver less than 50 in quantity. If we look at the next one here for 75, now we are above the 50. We can see that this one went to vendor 1002 because he can deliver this for a little cheaper at $80. But also notice here that the lead time is 4 days from end of May to beginning of June. If we take the last one here, I both have a minimum of 200. Let's start with that one. That triggered a planned purchase order that also went to vendor 1002. Again, we see the 4 days of lead time. And if I take the other one here, because I also created a sales order for this location with a date on the 15th of July. So you can see because we have optimized based on price, that goes to the vendor 1003 because he could offer it for $75. And here you see the lead time of the 5 days that we have there between the 15th and the 10th. Now what we can do is we can change the search criteria for the trade agreements for planning. So instead of using lowest unit price, we can also say that we want to use the minimum lead time. So let's go back and refresh the plan. So I'll let this run. It will run the planning optimization. And if we look at the first one here, that still goes to vendor 1001 because that's the only one that can deliver that low quantity. The second one, now that also goes to vendor 1001 because again, now we are focusing on the lead time and this vendor could deliver it in just 1 day. The third one here, again, this one goes to vendor 1001 because even though it's above 100, he can deliver it in 2 days. And the last one here for the sales order, that would be the same. It would also go to vendor 1001 because it's the fastest delivery where we can get it in 2 days. So with that, we saw that the purchase trade agreements can be set up in a very flexible ways and used by planning optimization to generate a optimal plan based on either the shortest lead time or the lowest price. Thank you for watching.